positive affirmations play a crucial role in our journey of self-improvement. They have the power to shape our thoughts, beliefs, and actions, leading to significant personal growth and development. By consistently repeating positive statements about ourselves and our abilities, we can reprogram our subconscious mind and overcome self-doubt and negativity. Affirmations help us build self-confidence, improve our self-esteem, and create a positive mindset. They act as empowering mantras, guiding us towards our goals and aspirations. Discover the transformative effects of positive affirmations as we delve into their significance and explore the benefits they bring to our lives. In our quest for self-improvement, it's essential to identify the areas of our lives that require growth and development. This introspective process allows us to reflect on our strengths and weaknesses and recognize the aspects we wish to improve upon. By honestly assessing ourselves and our circumstances, we can gain clarity and direction for personal growth. This scene will guide you through thoughtful reflection, helping you identify the specific areas in your life that can benefit from self-improvement efforts. Join us as we embark on this transformative journey of self-discovery and empowerment. Crafting positive affirmations is an art that empowers us to transform our thoughts and beliefs. In this scene, we will provide you with step-by-step instructions on creating effective and personalized positive affirmations. We'll explore the power of choosing affirmations that resonate with your goals and values. With our guidance, you'll learn how to use empowering language, incorporate visualization, and infuse emotions into your affirmations to make them more impactful. Tune in as we unlock the secrets to crafting affirmations that align with your true self and propel you towards self-improvement and success. Consistency is key when it comes to harnessing the full power of positive affirmations. In this scene, we will demonstrate the importance of using affirmations daily for maximum impact on your self-improvement journey. By incorporating affirmations into your daily routine, you create a powerful habit that rewires your subconscious mind and reinforces positive beliefs. We'll explore practical strategies to incorporate affirmations into your day, such as morning and evening rituals, affirmations on the go, and integrating affirmations into mindfulness practices. Join us as we unveil the transformative effects of consistent and regular affirmation practice. Tracking your progress and celebrating success are vital elements of your self-improvement journey. In this scene, we'll highlight the significance of monitoring your progress, staying motivated, and celebrating your achievements along the way. By keeping track of your accomplishments and milestones, you gain valuable insights into your growth and development. We'll explore various methods for tracking progress, such as journaling, setting goals and targets, and using apps or tools to measure your advancement. Our scene will inspire you to acknowledge and celebrate your successes, motivating you to continue on the path of personal growth and self-improvement.